Hello YouTube, MUFC here, and I'm back again in the video. So I decided to make this video because there's links coming in that Arsenal were interested in buying Anthony Martial. So as you can see, Anthony Martial is very content, so very happy in other words, at Manchester United amid Arsenal transfer speculation. So a number of top European clubs were interested in Martial during the summer transfer window, but the 21-year-old attacker remained at United, has scored 5 goals in his opening 9 appearances for Manchester United, and it's understood that Arsenal are eyeing a move for Martial as they search for Sanchez's replacement at the Emirates, but the Frenchman is committed to the Red Devils. So Manchester Evening News, so MEN, claimed that the France international is very content at United following his barnstorming start to the campaign, so obviously very good. Martial, he's made a very good number of appearances and to goals to assist ratio. Although he's not started that many games, he's come in as a substitute and he's just played absolutely amazing. And it's really good competition, really healthy that Rashford and Martial have had. And I would love to see Rashford, Martial and Lukaku, all three of them to start a game very soon. Hopefully that happens against Liverpool, but I doubt it. So Martial did consider leaving Manchester United on a loan move to Sevilla midway through last season, but Mourinho was determined to keep hold of the young forward. So Thierry Henry said that Martial is a far better player than I was at that age. He can become a world-class player. And we all know that every Man United fan, or not just Man United fans, fans in general of football, know that Martial is a very talented footballer. He's an amazing winger. He's got very good, talent, finishing, composure at his age. But all he needs is a run of games, a run of consistency as well. And Martial will probably be a star player in the near future for Manchester United. And hopefully, he guides us, him, Lukaku, Rashford, etc., guide us in the near future to the Champions League as well. Because I would love, an English team, obviously Manchester United, to win the Champions League. It's been a long time coming, and hopefully, if Martial stays, he can help us achieve that. But anyway, Martial is happy at Manchester. He's happy with Manchester United, happy with Mourinho. He's had a very good start to the season, and Man United will not sell Martial, and Martial, he doesn't want to leave Manchester anytime soon. So anyways, please like, subscribe. It's been MUFC, and I'll see you guys later.